1971 Chevrolet Nova two-door sedan or post here at Unique, especially in classics. 400 V8 underneath the hood, cowl induction hood, as you can also see. 4-speed manual transmission paired up with that. Let's take a look at this front grille bumper. CSS badging on it, representing this one as an SS Tribute, just so you know. Take a look at all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on a rally slot style wheel with center cap and beauty rings. Take a look down the passenger side of this car. As you can see, bright red in color. Black vinyl interior's kind of got that drag car look going for it with some shoulder harness belts, bucket seats up front, center console, 4-speed shifter, some aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. A little corrosion on that back deck lid right there by the Nova emblem. And take your time looking through the still pictures, over 100 pictures of this car online, UniqueClassicCars.com, as we take a look at the rear chrome. As you can see, dual exhaust. We're going to start this up. Let's hear it run. Definitely a healthy sounding car. We'll take a peek underneath the hood, and then don't forget, at the end of the video, there'll be a little virtual ride along for you. We'll do a driving video on it so you can kind of get an idea what it's like going down the road in this car. Paint has a nice shine to it, no doubt. Door panels, seating surfaces, free of rip stairs, holes, and like I said, you kind of got the drag car look going with the shoulder harness belts. Let's go ahead and fire it up. See, there is a battery disconnect here. Tach's working. Water pressure, water temperature. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. Oil pressure, and then the voltmeter. All those working. I have gotten the radio to power up, but would need to check speakers in the back, like 6x9s, what have you. Sounds like we got a little cam to this 400 V8. Let me slip up to the front, get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay. You can kind of see that, just some little imperfections in the paint. Getting pretty fussy. All right, let me pause this, get the hood open, check out that engine bay. There's a look underneath the hood. And there it is. So we have aluminum radiator, headers, got Holley intake. And again, 400 GM block. Good looking engine bay. Don't forget about that driving video again. You want to see what it's like to go down the road in this car. It's a 1971 Chevrolet Nova two-door post. 507-386-1726, UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1971 Chevrolet Nova. This car sounds pretty mean. Excellent exhaust sound. There's a 4-speed on the floor. See how she does out on the road. Very good acceleration in this Nova. Our turn signal indicators do function. Fuel gauge is reading an eighth of a tank. Under the dash we have a water temperature of 170. Oil pressure of 50 to 55. Volts are about 12. And the tachometer is reading 2,500 as we're cruising along at 55 miles an hour. If I let go of the wheel, this car stays pretty straight in the lane. I've got a slight drift to the left. Hood looks good. Red paint looks good. There's a sweet spot in the RPMs. You feel lots of power. Comfortable bucket seats, aftermarket bucket seats in this car. A little bit of slack in the steering, not enough to be any kind of a problem. Very fun, great sounding Chevrolet Nova. Take a look at all the pictures and read about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.